Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset or restore your Android mobile phone back to default settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And then you want to scroll near the bottom of this list where it says the system tile. So there should be a system tile in here. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down again and select the reset options button. Select erase all data, factory reset. So this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Select erase all data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. You would select erase all data to confirm, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.